Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a CrawlQ AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a CrawlQ AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address CrawlQ.ai and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of CrawlQ. Let's wait for it. And over here guys, on the home page of CrawlQ.ai, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login as well as the start trial buttons available for us. In order to proceed with the registration, let's click on the start trial button. But guys, if you've already created an account, simply click on the login to go to the further proceeding. With that being said, let's click on the start trial. And over here guys, you can see on the sign up page it says clearly that you will get a 7 days free trial from the account which you register over here, and after that you will be required to pay for the subscription every time you use the CrawlQ AI. And with that being said, let's enter our registration. Enter your first name over here guys, your last name, your email address with which you will be working later on the CrawlQ AI. I'll be using my email, and enter your password here guys. While entering your password guys, make sure to enter some capital letters, some extra special characters and some numbers in order to make your password strong. And with that being said guys, after entering your credentials, like your name, your email and your password, simply click on sign up, and then you will have registered an account on CrawlQ AI, and a verification link will be sent to you on your email which you had just typed in over here. Go to your email address. After you click on the sign up button over here, a verification mail from the CrawlQ AI will be available. Open that link, open that mail, click on the link on the CrawlQ AI or the mail sent by CrawlQ AI, and another page will open on the Google Chrome or whichever tab you're using to verify that you're a human. And after that, and after you verifying that you are a human by opening that verification link, you will be able to use the CrawlQ AI with ease on your computer, and you will be able to log in and log out according to your wish with these credentials. And if you like it guys, after a 7 days free trial, make sure to pay for the subscription. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for CrawlQ AI. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.